Hey, what's up, everybody? This is a video for everyone. We'll just call this I don't know dummies. How about that? Go walk at the truck rack. Here we have Daniel, Johnny.
What's up, baby?
What's up? These are called salesmen. That way, when you call them in, I don't answer the phone. You call them because they make really good money and they know what they're talking about. Wheels? What do you want? Truck wheels, car wheels, SUV wheels, golf cart wheels, wagon wheels? We don't really care. You say, I didn't know y'all had those. Guess what? Why do you think Johnny makes all these stupid videos every day too? Why do you? He's bananas because that's what y'all make him every day. You send him 76 texts to say, hey, can you change the center cap? Hey, can you paint my calipers? Yeah, yes. The answer is yes. The answer is always yes. If you're paying credit card, your mama's check, your daddy's check, who cares whether you got inherited? We're going to take your money, okay? Come on, we're going to walk down the back steps. We're going to show you the rest of the shop. That way y'all can go. What else do y'all do? Sneakers? Yes, we do sneakers too. It's called Soho. It's at the end of the building. This strip mall is called the spot for a reason because it's the spot to be. Old schools, box trucks, air ride, wraps, fix a bed, Gabe Farrell Productions. We got Gabe Farrell's in the house. Come on. Old schools, new schools, rookie audio guys. It don't matter. Sub boxes, whether it's custom, fabricated, doesn't matter. Gorillas in the trunk, coming up. This is Chris, audio box guru. He does multiplications that you can't. That's why he's here, okay, fellas? Wraps. We're just going to show you a small piece of this. I can't show you the whole thing, okay? 3M. We got it, baby. Matte wrap, gloss wrap, your mama's wrap. It doesn't really matter. Saran wrap, whatever you want. Window tint, yes, got it. Done. Paint protection, yes, got it. Computer cut, yes, we got it. What else do y'all do? Hey, Richard. Powder coated wheels daily. Look. Alrighty. Second set of the day. Thanks to the man. You know what it is? And we got ODB. Oh, Danny boy right here. You know, he took Pop's spot. I mean, really? Because he's got just as many stores as my dad had. Tyler Craig. Wholesale. Right. Okay. Dealership work. Always on the phones. Always working. Yes, we do that. Paint shop. No, we won't paint your whole car. Don't get mad at John. Don't get mad at me. Don't ask me to paint your raggedy old car. Nobody wants to paint a whole car anymore. That's why they do wraps. We do calipers. We do parts. Look, this young man was so excited to come to work. He left school 6 months early, graduated just to come sand with Daddy John. Okay? Lift kits. Do we stock them? Yes, we do. Rough country. Lower kits. Deltec. Striker lift kits. Doesn't matter. Fox. BDS. Carly, we got it all. This loading dock, you see all these pallets? They come in, they go out. If you have it, we want it, I'm going to buy it from you. If we got it, you need it, I'm going to ship it to you the same day. Lowering kits? Yes. Train horns? Yes, we stock them. Any wheel, any tire? We got it. What else do y'all do? Name it, look at this shop. We're building dreams daily. It doesn't matter if it's just a bolt-on kit. Let them talk, okay? We may do bolt-on kits all day long. We may do some custom kits. It really doesn't matter. But as long as they're smiling when they leave this place, that's what our job is to do. Wheels and tires, we average 8 to 15 sets a day. Mount, balance, repeat. Mount Fest started here. Don't let the other suckers run your mouth because you know where it started, okay? So, Anthony, what's he do? Anthony, whatever you want. That's what they do, okay? That's what these guys do all day long is whatever you need. Monday through Friday, don't call me after 6, okay? Brian's Motorsports, all the social media stuff. Follow us. It's 2024. If you ain't got a fire under your butt, come on to me. I'll light it for you.